The customer community provides quick and easy access to information about your services, allowing you to consult all relevant details in one place. Additionally, it facilitates the creation and tracking of support cases directly, speeding up the attention to your requests. In the customer community, we will start with a button called Start, where you will enter your username and password. Once inside, you will access the Home. Within the community, you will find the My Services section, where you can see all the information related to your services. For example, in this test case, the customer has 2 active services, one of 8 hours and another of 15 hours. Here, they can view all the details of their services. On the right, they can also see open cases. The New Case button allows you to create support cases quickly and easily, completing the information our team needs to assist you. In My Open Cases, you can see all the cases you have open, the stage they are in, their priority, and who is in charge of each one. By clicking on any case, you can make comments and view additional related information. Finally, in the SLA and Service Contract tab, you will have access to general information about your service contracts. When you want to exit the community, simply click on Log Out. We are here to support you and improve your experience. Do not hesitate to use the community and count on us for any need.